Welcome to Cool Plugins. In this video we will learn about shortcode settings. First tab is General Settings. These settings use for change the color and typography of the layout. The main skin color is used for change the color of the non-feature events. Main skin alternate color will change the font color of text. Where main skin color apply as background. Feature events skin color and featured font color will be applied on featured events. Event background color change background of both featured and non-featured events. Event title styles is used for change the typography and color of event title. Event description styles is used for change the typography and color of event description. Same way event venue styles is used for change the typography and color of event venue. Event date styles is used for change the typography and color of event's date. You can reset the color to default color one by one. For reset all at one click you can use reset button. Next tab is Extra Settings tab. Custom CSS Editor is used for write any custom CSS code. No event text is used for write text that you want to show when there is no any event to show. By default find out more text is used to link to event. You can change it according to your need. By default if image do not have any featured image then this image shown. You can set the default image of event by this default image option. Enable display category option to show category of events. Load Google Fonts setting will enable Google Fonts to your style. Next tab is Shortcode Attributes. That will show you all the attributes that you can use in shortcode. Thanks for watching the video.